In this video, I'll be guiding you guys on how to fix Google Fi not working on iPhone specifically. Okay, so I have a couple of fixes here, and the first one we have is to make sure your iPhone is compatible. Okay, so Google Fi works best with iPhone 6 and newer, and the eSIM option is only supported on iPhone XR, XS, 11, 12, 13, and 14, right? And obviously the other newer models. Okay. The second option is very simple. Just restart your iPhone because a quick reboot can refresh the network connection. Okay. The third option to do is to turn airplane mode on. So go to settings, turn airplane mode on and wait 30 seconds and then turn it off. Okay. If this doesn't work, then we can move on to the fourth option. Make sure Google Fi is set as the active SIM. Go to settings, cellular, select your Google Fi SIM, and then ensure turn on this line is enabled. If you're using dual SIM, check that Google Fi is set for voice, data, and SMS. The fifth option we have is to update APN settings for data and MMS. If you can't access mobile data or send MMS, manually enter the APN settings. Go to settings, cellular data network, and enter these details. For cellular data, the APN H2G2 and your username and password you should leave blank. For your MMS, the APN again should be H2G2, and your MMSC, there's a link you'll have to put HTTPS and the colons and the two slashes m.fi.goog/MMS/WAP WAPENC. Okay. For your MMS proxy, just leave this blank. For your MMS max message size, write down 1048576 and that. And lastly, for your MMS UA prof URL, leave this blank as well. And now restart your iPhone after saving these changes. The sixth step is to ensure roaming is enabled for international use. Go to settings, cellular, Google Fi SIM, enable data roaming. The seventh option you could try out is to check network selection. If Google Fi isn't connecting to a network, go to settings, cellular, network selection, and disable automatic and manually choose a local carrier. The eighth option is to reset network settings. Okay, so go to settings, general, transfer or reset iPhone, reset network settings. This will erase Wi-Fi passwords but can fix connection issues. Lastly, update iOS and Google Fi app. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. If using the Google Fi app, update it in the App Store. So that'll be it for today. I hope it helped you guys out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.